Hello, welcome back to Ping Sunday. I am Amdathik. This is the man vs woman simulation match in the 2021 Olympics warm-up tournament. Fan Zhendong lost to Chen Meng. This is not the first time Fan Zhendong lost to Chen Meng. A player asked, "Why are our sets beginning from 8 to 6, 8 for women and 6 for men?" The handicap system. Because the male players are stronger than the female players, so Chinese coach has used the handicap system. Women players have 2 points in advance to balance the game. This is the test before the Tokyo Olympics Games, how to deal under pressure when the top Chinese players play against weaker players. In order to increase the pressure, the top male players are put in the situation of losing the game, so they need to come back. However, what we learn here is the critical situation concept in table tennis. What is the critical situation in table tennis? The critical situation is the most important moment in table tennis. That losing 1 point or winning 1 point will affect the outcome of the match. So starting with a score of 0-0 is not a critical situation in table tennis, because winning 1 point will not change the outcome of the match. You are not sure to win the game by leading 1-0 or being down 0-1. Two critical situation example in table tennis.
在奥运会上，现在已经是打到了决胜局的8-6，或者是6-8。
Chinese coach has shown us the two critical situations in table tennis. At this moment, by winning 1 point, the result of the game can be altered. It is a huge emotional and mental effect. Situation 1, the score at 6-8. 6-8 is the first critical situation. If you win 1 point, then the score is now 7-8. You have a huge mental boost to come back. If you lose 1 point, then the score is now 7-9. Your chance of winning is very small, because the opponent will serve the next 2 balls. This critical situation is called the first light critical situation, because you have 50% to balance the score, and then you have 3 more chances to balance the score.
还是开长球，哇，好球哦！这是反手对反手的强强对抗。世界女子第一的反手啊，对上世界男子第一的反手。好球！这球樊振东也是有一些着急，想要侧身啊，陈梦识破了意图，拉了一个直线。陈梦拿到赛点了，非常的不容易啊！在第6局的时候，曾经还是一路在悬崖边上，是樊振东的赛点。相信这场比赛对于2个人来说都有极高的锻炼价值啊。其实这场比赛的胜负并不重要，重要的就是2位运动员在这场比赛当中去收获的东西。7比10。也是希望他们在东京奥运会上，如果遇到困难的局面，或者打到关键分的时候，能够灵光一现，想到今天在赛场上的出手。樊振东追回1分，陈梦还是很有机会啊，领先2分，并且呢自己是手握2个发球。还是开长球，反手相持扛住了，樊振东率先变线。对樊振东来说，要去演练的就是在关键分的情况下，反手相持当中还能够高质量的去勇敢的去抽直线。想发一个反手的小3角，随后侧身搏杀，让这一局也是不负众望的打到了决胜局的11比9，陈梦2分赢下了这场性别大战。那么在男女团关键球的对抗赛当中呢，女队是拿下了第1分。9比8，陈梦领先1分开始打。
Situation 2, the score at 8-9. This is the second critical situation. If you win 1 point, then the score is now 9-9. Who will serve the next ball will have a higher chance to win the game. However, if you lose a point, then the score is now 8-10. Your chance of coming back is very small. The opponent has double chance, 200% to win. You will have only 1 small chance before the opponent reaching to the amazing number 11. That is why this critical situation is called the last big critical situation.
是发正手短，好球，再来，哎呦，樊振东直接顶了个直线呀、女孩过来的球，在樊振东面前啊，确实就显得有点轻了。好，现在9比9，樊振东发球。逆旋转，侧身抢拉，陈梦也防得不错。这样樊振东是拿到了本场比赛的赛点。陈梦要暂停了。关键球的模拟赛，其实就是模拟运动员在奥运会上到了关键局面，这时候所承受的这种心理压力。考验的就是他们在关键时刻是否能顶住压力，并且呢坚定的实施关键球的技战术，出手是否果断，技术能力是否过硬。现在樊振东已经是拿到赛点了，10比9。好球啊！陈梦关键分上出手很果断，也希望陈梦能够记住这一刻的感觉，他带到奥运会上，面对关键分的时候要敢于出手。哇，漂亮！现在形势出现了逆转，陈梦重新拿到了第6局的局点。我相信这场比赛除了在话题性和精彩之余，对于两个运动员锻炼的价值还是非常大的。逆旋转，上手侧身，哇！陈梦尽力了啊，已经是连扛好几百。11比11。哈哈，这球樊振东是有一点着急要侧身，结果自己是主动出现了失误，陈梦拿到局点。两人现在也都没有暂停的机会了。逆旋转，发到反手短，连续发力，哎，这是个幸运球，漂亮！这局陈梦相当的不容易啊，曾经是这个面对赛点的情况下，大胆出手咬了回来。艰难的翻回了第6局，两人现在呢是打到了3比3。那么接下来呢将是决胜局的关键分。 上一局看得出来，李隼指导这边非常的满意呀，但是秦指导这儿就有一些焦虑了。接下来是决胜局。决胜局呢，从6比8开始打。